Hello guys, today we will discussing a variational sweep topic in nxcad. First of all, open nx software, then go to new and click or control plus and enter with the help of keyboard. After that, then go to model, double click on model or single click, then click on OK. After that, go to home and click on sketch and choose the plane as per your choice. Suppose I click on right plane, orange color show it is selected, then click on OK and draw a sketch. Suppose I draw a arc, then click on arc or A enter, then choose method by center. First click on center point, then second click on start point, then third click on end point. Press escape or scroll for exit from command, then click on rapid dimension or D enter. First click and second click for position of dimension. Double click for editing, suppose 100 enter, then click on yes for scale. Scroll press for exit from command and zoom the sketch according to you, then click on finish. Then go to menu, insert, then go to sweep and click on variational sweep. Its shortcut is V enter. Then go to section and select curve, click on anywhere on this side or this side. Suppose I click on there, then after click, now their option is change. Now the bar is path, then click on path. Suppose I click on this point and their location percentage arc length and percentage arc length I fill 0 enter. If I fill 20, then plane will create after 20%. If I fill 100, then plane will generate on another endpoint. This is start endpoint and this is another endpoint. So if I fill 0, then plane will create on 0 point. Then click on OK. Now draw a shape as per your choice or requirement. Suppose I draw a shape with the help of rectangle, then click on rectangle or R enter and choose method center rectangle. First click, second click, then third click. Scroll press. Press F8 for normal view or scroll press or click on snap view. Click on symmetric choose filter entire assembly. Zoom the sketch, first click, second click and third click, then click on OK and click on rapid dimension or D enter. First click, second click and third click and click on close. Double click on dimension, suppose 10, enter. Scroll press, click on finish. If I fill there 20, 3D will start after 20%. If I fill 50, if I fill 0, if I fill in the end section, suppose there 80, enter. The 3D will generate only 80%. Hundred, enter. This is variation sweep. If you like my video, if you learn from me, then please like, comment and share the video.